Whittward Carver and the cosmic symphony of utter nonsense. Alright, you lot of misfits, let's dive headfirst into the messed up world of string theory. I know what you're thinking. Whittward, what the blazes does a comedian know about quantum physics? Well, hold on to your hats, because I'm about to shatter your tiny little minds. Imagine this. A universe so flipping small, it makes an ant feel like King Kong. We're chatting about subatomic particles here, the building blocks of the universe. And according to string theory, these little blighters aren't tiny dots. Oh no, they're tiny vibrating strings. Because apparently, the universe is just one massive, freaky symphony. Now you might be pondering, that's all fine and dandy, Whittward, but what the heck does that have to do with the price of tea in China? Well, let me enlighten you. The implications are absolutely bonkers. You see, these strings, they vibrate at different frequencies, and each frequency corresponds to a different particle. It's like the universe is playing an eternal jam session, and each note is a different piece of the cosmic jigsaw. But buckle up, because this is where it gets truly bizarre. According to string theory, our universe isn't the only one out there. Oh no, there could be countless universes, each with its own set of strings, each playing its own cosmic melody. It's like the universe is one giant interdimensional music festival, and we're all just dancing like loons to our own unique beat. And if that doesn't make your brain spin like a top, consider this. Some of these universes might be just like ours, but with teeny, tiny, barely noticeable differences. Like maybe there's a universe out there where you're not a complete buffoon. Or maybe there's one where I'm not a potty-mouthed jester. Or maybe, just maybe, there's one where Ryan Reynolds isn't the sexiest bloke alive. I mean, can you even fathom it? But let's pause the cosmic chaos for a sec. You know how sometimes you're just going about your day, and suddenly you stub your toe on the blasted coffee table? And you're like, why the ruddy hell did that just happen? Well, according to string theory, that's just the universe having a giggle at your expense. It's like the cosmic equivalent of a whoopee cushion, only slightly more painful. And here's another kicker. String theory might even explain why some folks are just born under a bad sign. You know the ones, right? The chaps who always get soaked in the rain, or always miss the bus, or always end up with the last slice of pizza that's just crust. Or maybe their strings are just vibrating at the wrong frequency. Maybe they're just grooving to a different tune. Or maybe, just maybe, they're just a bunch of whinging self-entitled twits. Who's to say, really? But here's the clincher, folks. String theory is just that. A theory. It's not proven. It's not carved in stone. It's just a blooming idea. And isn't that what life's all about? Just a bunch of ideas. A bunch of possibilities. A bunch of what-ifs and maybes and could-bes. So, next time you're feeling blue, next time you're feeling like the universe has it in for you, just remember, you're not just a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. You're a tiny vibrating string, playing your own unique melody in the cosmic symphony of life. And if that doesn't cheer you up, well, just be grateful. At least you're not Ryan Reynolds. I mean, imagine the pressure of being that charming all the time. Bloody exhausting, I reckon.